If you are still having issues filling in the e-dividend mandate form for your unclaimed dividends, then this video is for you. I'm going to show step by step how to do this, and it's very easy. So the first thing you need to do is get to the SEC e-dividend website, and you can get to this through the website on my bio. You just click the link on my bio, then you're going to see Unclaimed Dividends Portal. Click on it, and this will take you to the SEC e-dividend website. And when you get here, what you need to do is put in your first and last name and click search. So I'm going to put in my first and last name and click search. After this, the website will call up all the companies where you have unclaimed dividends in, as well as the names of their registrars. Now, when this happens, you have to click on the name of the registrar, which is the column on the right. This will take you to the NIBS e-dividend mandate management portal. Here you have to fill in your bank details, which is your BVN, your bank account number, as well as your last name. Ensure that all the details are correct before clicking submit. When you do this, it will take you straight to the self-service e-dividend mandate form for you to fill, and this form is very easy. The first thing you need to do is to upload your ID. So you can choose either your international passport, your driver license, your NIN, or even your voter's card. So I'm going to select the international passport here and click on browse. Then this will take me to my personal folder, so I can select the file I want to upload. Ensure that this file is not more than 2 megabytes, so it should be a small file. Then after that, I upload my passport photograph. So I still click on browse, back to my folders, and select the file I want to upload. And then I also upload my signature. So all these files should not be more than 2 megabytes in size. After uploading the document, the next section is the e-dividend mandate information section. So this section is for your bank details and your shareholding details. So you can see that your payment bank, your account number, your BVN, your full name, and even your email address have already been pre-filled for you in this form, and you can't change them at this point. So all I need to do right now is to put in my phone number, my clearinghouse number, and my home address. So the clearinghouse number can be gotten through your broker. I have a video on my page where I explained how to go about this process. So I'll just fill in the details now. Then after that, the next section is the stock holding information section. So all I need to do in this section is to include the names of the companies where I have these unclaimed dividends. So click on add stock. When you click on add stock, just type in the name of the company. So I will do that now. Then click on add. So you can see that the fees section has had a bit of change now. The total fees right now is going to show as 200 because you included one company, and the VAT is 7.5. Then the amount due will be 2.5. Then after this, you need to cross-check and make sure that all the information you filled in this form are correct. Then click on create mandate form. Once this is done, the details of this form will be sent to the registrar of the company for processing. Then on your page, you will see a summary of the form you just filled with a mandate code for tracking. So this mandate code is important in a situation where you need to call up the registrar to track the progress or to know why there has been a delay on the progress. You need to present this mandate code so that they can track the form in question. And that's it. The process is not complicated. But if you are in a complex situation where you need to fill in for a late loved one, or there's been a change of name, then you need to contact the registrar or get a broker to do that on your behalf. The link to this e-dividend website is on my bio. So click the link on my bio to get to this. I also have the link that leads to the list of all approved brokers in Nigeria from the NGX website. So click the link on my bio to get to this as well. Don't forget to follow for more finance and investment tips. Like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.